What's good, YouTube? It's Lil Jug again. Wanted to show y'all this 71 Camaro we just finished up not too long ago. Customer came in, wanted a wire harness, new carpet, LED lights, AC unit, well, vintage AC unit. Music system, we're not completely done with it. He wants to mini tub the car, so when he brings it back, we're gonna do the subs. So I can't show you that right now, but just lay around for it, you're gonna see it. All right, we just finished up this 71 Z28 Camaro. Brought it in, they wanted us to change the headlights. Did a new wire harness on here, full AC. So we put them lights in there. With the LED outer rings on them. Turning signals into hazards. We did a complete wire harness on this car right here. New carpet, Dakota Digital dash. They ride that brand new carpet. Z28 flow mats. That vintage air in there. Dakota Digital dash. Oh, let it focus. Go on now and focus. There we go. See it right there? Cut that off. The customer had to put all this on there. Did the new LED lights too, as well. See them aftermarket LED lights in there. Still look original. The reverse bulbs work as well. Custom back window. Put them 6x9s. We don't do just dumps now. We do some of everything now.
Bugger with a white mouth, just like you when you're looking like